Good afternoon guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So this is a little bit of a different vlog because I am going to be doing, as you will have noticed from the title of this video, a 3-day, what do you want to call it, cleanse, detox, so many different words out there to kind of talk about what I'm going to do, but I wanted to intro this with some actual context so that it's super clear the reason I am doing it and why I'm not doing it, for example, because I'm going to be doing a 3 days, 72 hours of drinking juice only. The juice cleanse pack that I've got is from Fuel. I've used them before, and I've got into a bit of a routine, to be honest, over the last couple of months, where every 3 to 4 months I do one of these cleanses. Cleanse isn't the right word. I keep thinking about what the right word is. Probably detox, because I just want to, at certain points throughout the year, give my body a break, give my digestive system a break, give my body a chance to get all the right nutrients and minerals that it needs, to just refuel, get back to normal after a heavy couple of months. And we are now going into December, and I've just come out of what was possibly the busiest 3 months of my entire life. I had weddings, I had hen dos, I had work challenges, well, not challenges, just a lot of work going on. I started drinking a lot just to kind of get through the week, which also is a bit of an issue, which is something I'm working on at the moment. I'm not drinking at the moment either, and I've just not been looking after myself. I have been eating really badly, I've not been eating good food. So yeah, this is why I'm doing it now, in the run up kind of now till Christmas, because I want to give my body some love, some self-care and some TLC. So yeah, I will now show you the juices that I am going to be eating. It's 6 per day over 3 days, so I'll show you what I've got. So these are the juices I've got. You'll notice that one is missing because I started this morning. So I just wanted to show you kind of what I've got, and some of them are still frozen as well because I only took some out of the freezer yesterday, which is why these ones are now ready to drink, whereas some of the other ones weren't. So as you can see here, we've got 6 per day over 3 days. Obviously I've just had one of my orange ones, and that's these ones at the front. I've just had one for breakfast, but yeah, there's 4 different types of juices, and then you have 2 of the green juices each day. Am I miscounting this? Yeah, it's 5 per day, not 6. I was just counting these thinking, oh my god, this is definitely not 6, but anyway. So yeah, there's 5 per day, so 15 juices over 3 days. And I have started drinking, as I've said, already. So this is the orange one, if it focuses. This is the cold pressed juice, raw vegan. Everything is raw and vegan juice. Each bottle has around 100 calories in each of it. The orange one, as you can see, is apple, carrot and ginger. The green juice is apple, lemon, kale and cucumber. This bright red one is red apple, beetroot and cucumber, which is why it's so red. Then there's also a charcoal one as well, which looks disgusting, and it's black, but it's got activated charcoal in it, that's why it's so black. And apple and carrot. And then, as I say, you have 2 of the green juices each day. So that's the plan. As you can see, I'm going to put some now to defrost. These are solid at the moment. They will defrost over the next 48 hours. These, well, this row is now for day 1, day 2 and day 3, more or less. So let's go and see how we get on. Unfortunately, I have to go to the office today. I've got a busy day, which is going to be an interesting one to see how this pans out, because I'm going to need to keep my energy levels up. I'm filming today and just in the office and whatnot, but I do have my juices ready. They are all here. So I'm gonna grab 6, 5, 6 and take them with me. So yeah, let's see how today goes. I feel okay, I feel quite tired, but I've been feeling tired anyway. As you can see, my cold sore is still here, so just using this opportunity as a way to dose up with all the good nutrients and the vitamins and minerals, and what better way to do it as far as I'm concerned than with a cleanse. So yeah, I will pack up my bag now and head on to the office. Okay, so today I need one of the black ones, a pink one, an orange one, and a green one, which is separated a little bit. And then I've just put one in here, the blue one, which I've just started drinking. And I had a green one first thing this morning. So there's 6 per day, all of 220 ml, I believe, 220 ml, 250 ml. And so yeah, these are the 5 I will be drinking today. You gotta understand. I'm going with the activated charcoal juice for first thing. Yeah, last night, as I said, was a little bit drained by the evening, but more or less yesterday all day was fine, felt full of energy. So let's see how today goes, because I have heard that day 2 is a little bit worse, because obviously your body's starting to recognise you're not giving it solid food and other things that you've been giving your body. So for me, like sugar, processed food, my body's going to start realising that really soon. So yeah, first drink of the day. So even though this is probably the most gross looking one of the lot, I actually really like it. It's really bitter, which is probably why people would imagine it to be horrible, because it's very lemony, but I really like it, so cheers. I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up. So, as I say, I just wanted to come back to this super quickly and just say the reason for me doing this juice cleanse is not to lose weight. I will not be weighing myself before I start this juice cleanse, and I will not be weighing myself after. That is not the reason I'm doing it. I'm doing it from a putting good stuff back into my system point of view. The calories are kind of irrelevant to me because, as I say, losing weight is not the goal. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it. It's not a weight thing, it's of a health and benefit to, 1, cut out all of the bad stuff, so the alcohol, no alcohol. I'll be cutting out all the chocolate and sugar and processed foods that I've been consuming a lot recently, which is a benefit in itself. It's going to really make me go effectively cold turkey on eating and drinking stuff that's not good for my body. And then the second side of it, the benefit of doing it, I guess, is then because I'm removing all of those toxins, instead I'll be putting into my body raw juice, which has no preservatives, no processed element to it. It's just raw vegetables and fruit into a juice. This is the one I'm having now, 11 AM on my first day. And so it's just a way for me to really give my body a break. And when I was reading an article earlier this week about kind of the benefits and the risks, it's just that it just gives your digestive system a really good break, which obviously we don't get to do very often. That fruit and vegetable is obviously high in vitamins and minerals, and it means that my overall health during that period of time will be increased. I do warrant all of this with the fact that this is not a long-term thing, and obviously this is 3 days, and then I will then, after those 3 days, gradually start building back solid food and healthy elements of my diet back into my eating habits. But in no way will I go straight back from doing this 3-day juice cleanse to then doing eating at McDonald's, for example. I will then be going back into a healthy way of living and eating and drinking, etc. from this. Happy day 3. Well, not happy day 3. Last night didn't go as planned. I ended up having some solid food last night because it got to, like, we went out after we'd finished work to the supermarket, and then when we got back it was super late and I just really needed something to eat. And so yeah, I did eat something last night, but I'm okay with it. It's all good. I was never cutting out everything anyway, so I'm quite happy to that happened. But I am going back on track for the last day, and I'm starting with my green juice again today. It is now 9 AM, washing machine is on, gonna start work, and then I'll be having another juice in a few hours. Ah, what a day. I'm so tired, but I am on juice number 2 of today. I'm off to counselling, so I need some energy for the next couple of hours, but yeah, I'm doing okay. Today's day 3 and I am liking these. I do feel a little bit better. My energy levels are up. I do feel like I'm getting more nutrients than I would normally if I was just having normal food, so yeah, I'll do another update in a few hours. I'm getting very close to giving up now. It is midday, I think. I'm just about to have juice, I'm losing my mind, juice number 3, and I think I'm gonna have some solid food as well. Just looking in the fridge thinking what I can eat. Probably gonna have a banana as well, just because I'm feeling very drained today, very tired. I'm just not really feeling it anymore. So I would say that this is probably the end of this cleanse. I did have food last night, and I'm going to have something to eat now as well. I'm going to continue with the juices because they're still full of incredible nutrients and vitamins and minerals, but I will be having some solid food now. This one is the Beat Me juice. This one is probably the nicest, to be fair, because obviously the beetroot is really sweet. So this will probably fill me up for an hour or two, and then I'll have some solid food, and then we are going to go out for some food later, I think. I'm proud of myself for what I've done, and I do feel like I do feel better generally. My skin has cleared up over the last few days, much better than normal, and I do feel generally more energetic, and I slept so well last night as well. I don't know if that's got anything to do with it. I slept for like 10 hours and I woke up and felt very refreshed, so maybe that's got something to do with it. I did have a couple of headaches yesterday, and I did feel really drained this morning, but pros and cons is I'm filling my body with great stuff, so I'm gonna have one more, maybe another one later, but then I'm going to be eating as of dinner tonight. So overall, a little bit of a success, a little bit of a failure. Either way, doesn't really matter. I've been putting great food into my body. Would I do it again? Yes, 100%. So yeah, let's see. Maybe we'll try and do it for a longer period of time next time. Who knows? And I will document it on here, of course. So I will see you very soon, and stay tuned. Hey, so it's a little bit later in the day. It's actually like 2 o'clock. I kind of missed lunch, and I didn't film my second juice of the day, so I'm just going to grab my 3rd juice of the day. Which one do I want? I think we're gonna go for a green. Green again. I had an orange earlier at about 11 o'clock. I do want some. So yeah, green juice again. I feel okay, I feel a little bit tired, but work is a little bit stressful, which is why I just want to eat basically like a whole cake instead of drinking a juice. I had a bit of a headache earlier, but I downed like a pint of water and seemed to be okay. Just feeling a bit more tired today, but that could be a mixture of both the juice diet and then also just work being a bit stressful. And also it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm not even joking, and look how dark it is outside already. So that also could be making me tired, but yeah, 3rd juice of the day.